There is no glory that comes from working yourself to the bone. What you get from that is sick. You guys stay in touch with me, all right? I want to hear how you're doing. Whether you're struggling or better, I want to know, okay? You're very welcome.
Thank you so much.
All right. Very nice to see you too. Okay, check your email, okay? All right, bye-bye, guys. Good luck.
Bye.
I just got finished with a session with a lovely couple where I see a woman who, she's got lupus and she's got pain and she's tired and feeling horrible. She's also a wife and a mom. And what's happening is she's putting everybody else first, and she's slowing down her recovery. So what she found was she read Goodbye Lupus, she got the green smoothie book, and she started making smoothies, but she's only drinking about 500 milliliters the whole day, and maybe a liter of water the whole day, and then she'll sit down and have dinner with her family, which is, a cooked dinner, and it's mostly plant-based. Sometimes it has a little meat in it, but really the majority, she's not getting that much food, she's not getting that much water, and then she's only getting like 4 hours of sleep because she's like racing around trying to clean, trying to do everything. And so the biggest message I had for her, and her husband bought into it too, and he's nodding yes, 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 is she's got to decide that she's as important as everyone else in the house. If this is you, you need to understand this. There is no glory that comes from working yourself to the bone and just malnourishing yourself, basically starving yourself, wearing yourself out, not getting enough sleep, not taking care of yourself. There's no glory, there's no award for that. What you get from that is sick. And so what I told her was, number one, your kids don't need a clean floor more than they need their mom. So you need to start quadrupling how much you're eating during the day and getting all those healing foods in and getting all the water in. You need to stop cleaning at like 8 o'clock and go take a bath with some essential oils and some music and relax, right? So you don't lay in bed like this, the rest of the day. You've got to do that. You've got to relax. You've got to spend some quality time with your husband, tuck the kids in, and then relax and talk and have that couple time. Connect with yourself as a human rather than just a source of food and cleaning, because that's not who you are. The healing will happen, but first you've got to decide that you deserve it. And it's a big problem I see, especially with moms. You don't just want to keep the house clean. You don't just want to make sure everyone's fed. You got to take care of yourself because you want to see your kids grow up. You want to be a grandparent running around. You want to get to retire with your husband and travel the world. You don't want to be sick in bed. And that's what's going to happen if you don't start making those changes. So I hope that can inspire any of you that are putting yourselves last to realize if you love those people in your life as much as you think you do, you're going to take great care of yourself so you can stay in their lives. I hope that helps you guys.